Assalamu alaikum. May Almighty's blessings be upon all of you. Today I'm going to show you Mumbai style keema, fry keema. Keema is very famous in Mumbai and it's often served with pav or buns as a breakfast. In Mumbai style keema is first marinated and then cooked in spices. Keema is very versatile. Its rich, spicy and amazingly balance of taste makes it an amazing dish. So let's get started. Mumbai style keema is cooked slightly different. It's first marinated. So for all marination we need all these ingredients. For marination of half a kg of mutton keema, I have taken half a kg of mutton keema. I have taken 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, chili powder 2 teaspoons, salt 2 teaspoons, and then I have taken cumin seed powder, coriander powder, and garam masala each 1 teaspoon. And then I have taken finely freshly chopped coriander, green chilies, and mint. I will make paste out of these with water. I'll add a tablespoon of water and make a paste. Now in keema, I am going to add the paste that I have made of coriander, mint, and green chilies. Then I'll be adding ginger garlic paste and all the other spices. We will give it a good mix. Some people like to add curd also in it, but I'm not using the curd. You can add curd also. And then we will keep it for marination, minimum 3 to 4 hours, but I kept it overnight for better taste. That enhances the taste. Now moving to other ingredients that we need for cooking it. I have taken 2 chopped tomatoes, 3 finely chopped onions, oil around half a cup. Then I have taken green coriander chopped and some green chilies. Then I have taken cumin seeds and cloves, cumin seed 1 teaspoon and cloves, a few cloves. Then cinnamon stick, green cardamom, and black pepper. So next I start with heating up oil. And then I'll be adding whole spices to it because we have not added whole spices yet. Once the oil started to heat up, I added all the whole spices. I'll saute them. Meanwhile, I have taken out marinated keema from the fridge. Here you can see. Now in oil, I'm going to add onions. And then we have to fry them. And I have added a small teaspoon of salt here to onions. Then I will cover them and let them cook for some time till they are soft. So after around 10 minutes on low to medium flame, here you can see they have changed the color. Now at this stage I'll be adding keema. Here you can see. We will give it a good mix. Then I'll be adding green chilies to it. We have to fry keema first. And then I'm adding tomatoes to it. And ginger garlic paste too. I'll give it a good mix and I will let it fry for some time. I'll cover it and let it fry for some time. So after some time, here you can see it has started to release water. So we will let it fry so that this water gets absorbed for around 15-20 minutes on medium flame. Around 15 minutes, I'll open the lid. Here you can see it has released enough water. And the tomatoes will also soften in this. We have to keep stirring in between. We have to keep checking in between so that it doesn't burn and it doesn't get stuck to the bottom of the pan. Again, I have covered it for around next 7 minutes, and after 7 minutes, here you can see some of the water is absorbed now. And now I'll be adding fresh coriander to it. You can add mint also for extra flavor. I have just added coriander because I had already added mint in the marination, and I am adding around 2 cups of water here so that now it gets cooked properly. I'll add 2 cups of water and I'll cover it and let it cook. In between, I'll keep checking so that it doesn't get burned. After around 20 minutes on medium flame, I will check on it again. Flame you have to keep medium or medium to high, not very high. So here you can see still some gravy is left. Now I'll keep high flame so that this gravy gets absorbed. Now I'll keep stirring it on high flame only so that it doesn't get stuck to the bottom. And here you can see it's almost all the gravy is absorbed. So at this stage I'll turn off the flame and it's ready to be served. Do check the salt before serving. Here the irresistible keema is ready. It's a comfort food because it's easy to cook without any hassle and with all the spices that are easily available at home. I hope you like the recipe. Give your feedback in the comments. Keema can be served with naan, roti, chapati or rice. Keema can be cooked in very different styles with different ingredients. I'll be showing you more in future. Thank you for watching. Remember in duas, Allah Hafiz.